Hoping that little thing stays open. Let's see what Marcus says. Nothing. All right, this is the other building. We're gonna check the air handlers and condensers up here. Nice and loose. Awesome. Hey y'all, going to test this compressor, the windings, the condition of it overall. Because it could look this bad, it could look rusted, but hey, if the windings are good, it's good, right? Usually when you see rust like this, overheating signs, you already know what's going on, but we just like to give on video, see what it looks like. That's just bad.